Welcome to Group 28 submission of project proposal, and I'll go right into the presentation. So we're looking at Sustainwear, which is going to play in the fashion industry. So firstly, let's just look at the opportunity and the market size of the fashion industry. According to McKinsey Global Fashion Index, this industry is expected to peak $2.4 trillion in 2017 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 3.5 annually until 2025. And that's why we see that opportunity combination of organic growth and leveraging new technologies are two big opportunities to drive this particular industry. The problem we're looking out for, looking to solve is how to sustain the environment from the degradation of clothing, which is converted to plastics from our clothing as we wear. So this is an industry that it's common to everybody, and it eventually comes as a scare into our own environment. And that brings us to the concept of how we are providing an environmental friendly clothing that also provides solar energy. So we're combining environmentally friendly clothing and clean solar energy to the environment. Our target audience for this particular disruption or innovation, it's broken into two: the Generation Y and Generation Z. And this is gotten from one of the research conducted by Professor Conrad in LIM College. We're able to see that these two segments actually account for 48% of the total population of 7.4 billion, giving us a 3.5 billion population opportunity for this particular segment. And how do we know that we are looking at the right target? It's about this particular target look to buy eco-friendly fashion, and they are open to new things as they come out when it comes to ease of purchase, price, value, and highest priorities to them. Now, two things resonate. One thing resonates with these two segments. They are digitally native, and they are always online. When we look at the brand mission, the why, how, and what, we see that the why is actually looking at what we are providing, which is we want to make this planet free of more of pollution, and we intend to use environmentally friendly clothing with provision of solar energy by getting clothes that will provide solar energy to portable devices. Our approach is the lean canvas model, which talks more about a unique value proposition of providing affordable clothing that promotes sustainability and reduce pollution to the environment. And I will look at other things, which includes the channels, the key metrics, quickly look at the revenue streams as we go on. This you can study and let us know if you have questions. On our social strategy, our why is a new brand which talks about how we're going to create awareness and taking into account this particular segment, which I've spoken about, the Generation Y and Generation Z. So this particular place where we're looking to drive Instagram as a major app for brand discovery. So we're looking at this particular how we can use this particular approach to drive